Nathan, do you want to film the video?
Video? Hello, class of 2022.
I'm Nathan, and this is Ann!
That's not right. I'm Nathan, and this is Ann, and we're gonna show you John Jay Hall.
This is my room. We can swipe in. Woohoo! Here's my crock. This is my room. In every room you get a bed, a desk, a dresser, and the bed is adjustable, and you also have a closet. So now we're gonna show Nathan's single.
Okay, and let's go. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what a John Jay single looks like. Mine is lightly used, or at least lightly lived in, I should say. By that I mean it's messy as hell. Okay, so this is what the majority of people in John Jay live in. Ann already showed you all the amenities. We don't get any special amenities. In case you noticed, there's a fan there, and it's the middle of winter. We kind of have no AC, and if it gets hot like it is today, it gets really hot in here, but the fans make it all right, and the building itself is amazing, so. Allison, we have a really important question for you. Okay. So what's it like living in Jake Gyllenhaal's old room?
I don't know how to describe it.
Is it like the best experience of your life?
It is definitely the best experience of my life.
Definitely. What's your favorite Jake Gyllenhaal movie? What? Why are you coming to the bathroom? What?
So there are 7 bathrooms
What?
per floor in John Jay.
This is
They're all
not-
single use.
This is not okay.
Yes, it is.
How do you think hiding in the bathroom is okay when I'm trying to... What?
For sake, Matthew.
Okay, so now that I'm out of the bathroom where these two interrupted me, we're going to talk about dining halls a little. So, John Jay actually has 2 dining halls in our building, which is kind of part of the reason that we're the best dorm. JJ's Place, which is 22 hours a day, and John Jay Dining Hall, which is our main dining hall on campus, kind of. It's the biggest one, at least. It's pretty traditional.
So there's a lounge on every floor in John Jay, which has a TV and chairs and also a whiteboard. And there's also a big John Jay lounge downstairs, which has a piano and a huge screen, and they play movies in there, and there's a lot of food always.
And more importantly, in John Jay, you make the best friends that you could ever ask for. And okay, Ann here is one of my best friends. We do things like we dance together.
We went ice skating together.
And we have so many friends that we forgot to invite our cameraman, Matt, because we're kind of awful people too. But
It's an occupational hazard.
it really is an occupational hazard in John Jay. You'll end up with so many friends that you can't invite them all everywhere. I'm so sorry, Matt. Please quit crying, Matt. Please quit crying. Okay. No, you're making me cry, Matt. Okay, I pulled myself together there. Sorry about that. Okay. I feel like that about wraps up John Jay. It's the best floor ever. Well, John Jay 5 is the best floor ever. But John Jay is the best building ever.
Yes.
And it's because it's not even the amenities, which are awesome. Having a single as a freshman is awesome. It's the people you meet.
I feel awkward doing this.